Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel World of Achievers, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Your subscription is always valuable. In this video I am going to explain new syllabus of physics for inter first year Telangana state government. As you all know, physics is one of the core subject for MPC and BPC students. So this video is useful for both MPC and BPC students. Due to this pandemic, Government of Telangana took an initiative to reduce the 30% syllabus of inter first year students. The only aim of government is to reduce the burden of the students in this pandemic. So I am going to explain 30% deduction syllabus from the old syllabus. So without any further delay, let's start our topic. They are as follows. In chapter 1, Physical World, Scope and Excitement of Physics, Physics, Technology and Society, Nature of Physical Laws are removed. In chapter 2, Units and Measurement, there is no deduction. In chapter 3, motion in a straight line, here also we have no deductions. Nextly, in chapter 4, that is motion in a plane, here also we have no deductions. In chapter 5, laws of motion, Aristotle fallacy, the law of inertia, Newton's first law of motion, Newton's second law of motion, Newton's third law of motion are removed from the syllabus. Nextly, chapter 6, work, energy and power. Here also we have no deductions. In chapter 7, systems of particles and rotational motion, theorems of perpendicular and parallel axes are removed. In chapter 8, oscillations, there is no deductions. So, nextly, in chapter 9th, gravitation, Kepler's laws, the gravitational constant, acceleration due to gravity of earth are removed. In chapter 9th, that is mechanical properties of solids, determinants of young molecules of the material of a wire, Poisson's ratio, elasticity, potential energy in a stretched wire, application of elastic behavior of material are removed from the chapter. Nextly, we have another chapters like thermal properties of matter, where heat transfer, conduction, convection, radiation are removed. Next chapter, that is thermodynamics, heat engines, refrigerator and heat pumps, cartoon engine are removed. In the last chapter, that is kinetic theory, there is no deduction, everything is there. So this is a chapter lesson wise. Then comes practical. Deleted experiments of first year are physical balance, surface tension and apparent expansion of liquids are removed from experiments. So folks, these are the total detailed information about new syllabus. Thanks for watching and do subscribe our channel.